congratulations again.
Yeah, thank you.
In our own language.
Dankjewel.
So,
I'm honored.
Good.
Yeah.
but well deserved, definitely.
I'm surprised, but yeah.
But in a good way, I hope. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we have a couple of questions for you because, well, it's an interview after all. So, you have such a wonderful style working with oils, and the judges in particular found your work very unique and to be very soothing. It has a very soothing quality. Can you share with us a little bit on how you paint, how you work?
Yeah, I love the comments actually. This is very nice. Yeah. I always start painting in abstract. Mostly I play then with the materials, and that's the start of the process. Just fun and playful, and that's the starting point for my new paintings. This piece was inspired by one of my many retreats to Scotland, and yeah, the never-ending gamegorms, the mountains, and that was my inspiration for this painting. The stories hidden in the landscapes and all that. So that was my inspiration, and yeah, it grew naturally. And when I start painting, I build it up with layers, glazing layers, transparent oil, and to deepen the colors. And I brush the paint on the canvas together. That gives that soothing effect, I think, that you mentioned. It's quite a long and intense process because the layers have to dry in between. Yeah.
It's soothing for you as well, the process itself.
Yeah. Okay. Absolutely.
You already mentioned you work very naturally, organically. I can. So nature is clearly very important to you. It features very strongly in your works. On this very day, Earth Day 2021, can you share why nature is such a big inspiration to you?
It should have been every day Earth Day, I think. Nature is and has always been my inspiration. It's the place where I find myself, where I find peace, clear my mind, feed my soul, and where I get my ideas and I bring the inspirations back home into my studio, where I combine them with my imagination and my inner life. And that's where I find form, these images. I think there's nothing more beauty than nature itself. And yeah, that's also part of my creations, to share this beauty and to make people aware of the fact that yeah, we have to be careful to our nature, to Earth, before it's too late. And yeah, that's also one things that I want to tell in my paintings, in my drawings. Yeah.
We felt it. We definitely felt it.
Yeah, okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah. Congratulations once again.
Yeah, I never expected it. I was already very happy to be included for the exhibition.